Hi guys, this week we're going to be reviewing place value and rounding. So let's go ahead and take a look at our place value vocabulary chart that I've made for us. I will also make this a picture so that you can go back and refer to it. But you will see that I've made this chart for us so that we can see our ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and millions place, okay? I did just write an example number here, and the way that you would say this number would be 62,457. Okay, so let's review what the difference is between value and place value, okay? So when we talk about the place that a number is in, we mean what place is it in? So for example, if I look at 4, my 4 is in the hundreds place, okay? So that would be the place that it is in. It is in the hundreds place. If I want to know the value, that means how much, or it's the amount each digit is worth. So that means how much does this number represent? So this 4 is in the hundreds place. That means that it is worth 400, okay? So that's a review on the place value vocabulary. Let's look at the rules for rounding. Like I said, we're going to be working on rounding, so let's go over the rules. Hopefully you guys were able to listen to the song that I posted for you. I know it seems a little silly, but it will be very helpful for you in remembering the steps. So remember, the song is called We Will Round You. And we know that the first step is to find your place. So you're going to find your place and you're going to underline that number. Okay, so for example, if I have the number 235 and I need to round it to the nearest, or I need to round it to the hundreds place, I'm going to find my hundreds place and I'm going to underline it. So my hundreds place is here. Let's look at step 2. Step 2 was look next door. So I'm going to look next door. Next door I have a 3, so I'm going to circle 3. Now, step 3 was 5 or more, you raise the score. 4 or less, you let it rest. Well, my next door neighbor is a 3, and I know that's less than 4. That means that I need to let it rest. Okay? So, now that I let this 2 rest, I'm going to look to the right and put zeros in sight. That means I fill in all of the other places with zeros, okay? So let's review the rounding rules. You're going to find your place, look next door, 5 or more, you raise the score. 4 or less, let it rest. Look to the right, put zeros in sight, okay? So I hope these steps and this vocabulary that we reviewed is helpful for you. I would like for you to now go ahead and watch my example videos of a few rounding problems that I have done.